System4 San Francisco East Bay provides professional Fremont lab cleaning services for laboratories that demand precision and care. Our Fremont lab cleaning services support medical labs, biotech facilities, and research centres. We follow strict cleaning protocols to reduce contamination and ensure safety. From disinfecting high-touch surfaces to detailed floor and equipment area cleaning, we handle it all. Our team works carefully around sensitive lab spaces and critical work zones. With our expert lab cleaning services in Fremont, your facility remains inspection-ready and professionally maintained. We use industry-approved disinfectants and proven sanitation techniques. Every laboratory operates differently, and we respect that. That's why we customize cleaning schedules that fit your workflow without disruption. Our trained and background-checked technicians are reliable, efficient, and detail-focused. You can count on us for consistent and high-quality results. When you choose System4 San Francisco East Bay, you choose experience and accountability. We are committed to delivering dependable Fremont lab cleaning services you can trust. Call us today at 925-592-6001 to request your free consultation. Visit system4norcal.com to learn more about our services. System4 San Francisco East Bay.